Hi, this is Emma with OrderMaxx. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Case Study Module. These case studies are packages of information to which you can add images, links, descriptions, and other information. The module allows you to create as many case studies as you'd like. In this video, I'm going to show some of the module's features and give a brief demonstration of how we would create a case study. Starting at the user dashboard, we're going to click on Access Modules and head into the Case Study module. Here is a list of our active case studies. We're going to go ahead and add a new study. After clicking on Add, you'll see we now have access to several different fields of information. The OrderMaxx site is using this module as a showcase, so we're going to go ahead and follow that trend as we fill in these fields. Let's go ahead and name our study Sample Project and add a location down below. On the right, you'll see we have the option to add images, which we'll come back to in a few. Below, you'll see we have the option to link to an external page. We're going to go ahead and put an OrderMaxx website in here. Next are the overview and summary. These two fields are used for descriptive paragraphs. For our purposes, I'm going to go ahead and fill these with generated text. The Cite field is for more specific uses, so we'll move on to the next field instead. Looking to the right, we can create a Contact Us button that will link to another page on your site. On the top of the page, you'll see we have the option to add an icon, as well as a background and main image to appear on the case study page. Looking further down, this section is devoted to slider images. You can upload up to 5 images, with which the module will automatically create a slideshow for the details page. I'll go ahead and fill in these images, save the page, and come back to show you the finished results. Welcome back. I've borrowed the images from one of the other case studies on our page. I've finished uploading images and saved our case study, which means it's now time to go ahead and take a look at our showcase page. If we scroll down, we'll find our sample project case study. This was the image uploaded into the icon field. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Here you'll see our project title next to the location we've added, and taking a look to the right, there is a link that'll lead back to the portfolio page right above the external website link. Here we have our overview paragraph, a Contact Us button, our main image, our summary paragraph, and our slideshow, which I'm going to zoom out of just a little bit so you can get a better look. Alright, and that covers everything you need to know to create a case study. This process only took a few minutes, after which the module instantly built the framework into the page. Our module system is cost-effective, time-efficient, and highly customizable. These modules are similar to building blocks in that they can be added or removed as needed, and further styled with CSS to create a truly unique site and user experience. That about wraps up this video. If you'd like to learn more about this and our many other products, feel free to visit us online at www.ordermaxx.com. Thank you for watching.